How to merge cells in Google Sheets. Need to merge cells in Google Sheets. I'll show you the fastest way, plus a few important things you should know before you click merge. First, open your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now click and drag to highlight all the cells you want to merge. Once the cells are selected, you're ready for the next step. Now move to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Find the Merge Cells icon. It looks like two arrows pointing toward each other. Then click the Merge button. Your selected cells will now become one larger cell. Before you merge multiple cells, there's one important thing to know. If more than one selected cell contains text or numbers, Google Sheets will only keep the content from the top left cell. Everything else in the selected cells will be removed. So if you need that information later, copy or move it somewhere else before merging. If this tutorial helped you merge cells in Google Sheets, subscribe for more quick Google Sheets and productivity tutorials that save you time.